Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Check that your laptop runs Windows 10, build 1607 or later, or Windows 11, and sign in with a Microsoft account so the store can link to your profile. Once done, open Settings and run Windows Update. Make sure pending updates install. Now, restart if asked. This clears partial installs and prepares the system. After reboot, you're ready to try opening the Microsoft Store app or follow the reinstall steps in the next slide. Next, perform the middle, more detailed actions. Open PowerShell as administrator and use the add apps package command to reinstall the store package or run get apps package elusers Microsoft. Windows Store 4h add apps package disable development mode register $. Install location \app x manifest XML. Alternatively, go to Settings, Apps, Microsoft Store, Advanced Options, and hit Reset to restore factory app data. Make sure the Microsoft Store install service is set to manual or automatic and running. Otherwise, reinstallation can fail. To finish, sign back into your Microsoft account and open the store. Allow it a minute to sync and check for app updates. If the store won't open, run the Windows Store Apps troubleshooter via Settings, then reboot. If that still fails, create a new local user, convert it to a Microsoft account, or perform an in-place repair upgrade using the Windows installation media to preserve files. This often fixes corrupted system components. One key tip: always run the store troubleshooter before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.